Hi, after you have scanned your friend's QR code or clicked on their referral link, you can type your country and email, then click Next. After that, fill in your name, phone number, and select the membership type. You can choose to be a free preferred customer or paid VIP member. For VIP membership, choose the monthly subscription or annual subscription option. In this example, we will choose free preferred customer first. Then fill in a password and press Next. Read the instructions to save your personal QR referral code and click on Login to access your back office. Now fill in your email and password to log into your account. Once you are logged into your app, look for the Profile button to see your personal profile. You will see Pending highlighted in blue if you have not verified your email. Click on Pending and you will be asked to enter a 6-digit OTP code. You will find this OTP in your welcome email, or you can click on Resend OTP and our system will resend the OTP code to your email. Check your email inbox under Spam or Junk or Bulk folder just in case our welcome email got sent there. You will find your OTP code in your welcome email. Remember to mark these emails as not junk or spam. You can then copy the 6-digit OTP code to verify and activate your account. A faster way to verify and activate your account is to just click the Activate Now link in your welcome email. Once you have done that, your account is automatically verified and activated without having to enter the OTP anymore. So now just log in as per normal and you will see your status is now active. Click on Upgrade and you can now upgrade from a free preferred customer to a paid VIP membership anytime you are ready. Select the type of membership you want, make payment online using your credit or debit card, and once payment is completed, your status will now show you as a VIP member. Now go to Google and search Club 10 Global to find our website www.ten.club. Click on Login. So now all you need to do is log into your web app via your phone or computer, click on Profile and you will see your own referral QR code and referral link. You can copy the link and share it to your friends via WhatsApp, Facebook, WeChat, or even email, and you can start signing up your friends as Club 10 members anywhere in the world. And that's it. Welcome to Club 10. See you in the next video.